morning. Welcome to the 2024 Governance Camp powered by students.
It's been about 4 or 5 years that I've been coming to TASB Governance Camp, and it gets better every single year. And to be honest with you, I come for the students. I want to hear what they have to say, and I want to hear what's working in other districts for superintendent and school boards alike. We have a saying where we say we want to keep the main thing the main thing. And the main thing for all the districts across the state is our students. So we're here learning from each other, school boards and superintendents alike, to do what's best for our students.
I'm here with Woodville High School. This truck that we have now took about 3.5 years just to finish the truck. It's definitely come a long way.
So to actually see everybody trying to work together, it really turns my perspective. You know, like I might see this, but now talking to the adults and everything, now I see how they're coming together and trying to make a better world, a better future, a better education system for our students.
The student voice is my favorite part. I work with our students in preparation for the submission to be considered to present here for the Student Voice Governance Camp, and then working with our students to understand if you're going to succeed in the world, it's not just how you write, it's not just how you speak, but it's how you convey your ideas. And so Governance Camp has allowed them to have an opportunity to learn how to convey your ideas to an audience, to consider the audience in how you want to connect and really send a message to the world of how you're going to have an impact. Every time we come here, we gain some new understanding that we can take back to our district to make us that much better for our kids. I just want to say thank TASB for the opportunity to allow our kids to come here and grow and learn and experience what it means to have an impact in the world. This is incredible. Thank you, TASB.